mind over you. I'm not proud, but what can I do? You might think that I'm lazy, but my mind games take up my whole day in my own special room. I choose my mind over you. Listen to that, an ice cream van. Oh, how I'd like to speak to the man and ask him how he came to be spreading dreams through ice cream. He hands me the soft serve and I'm chilled to the bone. I lick it up so fast that I've tied my tongue, and when the sugar hits my brain, there's no one left to ask a thing. I choose my mind over you. I'm not proud, but what can I do? You might think that I'm lazy, but my mind games take up my whole day in my own special room. I choose my mind over you. There's nothing that I can do. I lose my mind through